In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Glassdoor blog. Career Articles 2026. We'll keep this simple and clear. Our goal is to get from the Glassdoor homepage straight to the official blog using the site's footer navigation. And you won't need to sign in to do it. This is helpful if you're researching interview tips, workplace trends, or salary insights and you want the latest articles from Glassdoor's editorial team. Start by opening your web browser and going to glassdoor.com. Depending on your location, the site may tailor the page to your region, but that's fine. If you see any cookie or privacy notices at the bottom of the screen, you can acknowledge them so the page layout is visible. You do not need to create an account or log in here. Everything we're doing is available to the public. From the home page, head straight to the footer. The footer is the section at the very bottom of the page that contains site-wide links. You can get there by scrolling all the way down. On a desktop, you can drag the scroll bar or tap the End key on your keyboard to jump to the bottom. On a phone or tablet, just swipe down until you reach the end of the page. If the content keeps loading as you scroll, give it a second to finish and continue to the very bottom. Once you're in the footer, you'll see a set of organized link groups. This is Glassdoor's navigation hub for important pages. Look for the column that references Glassdoor's own resources. The link we want is labeled blog. It's typically grouped alongside other corporate or resource links. And it's easy to spot because it simply says blog. Click blog. Glassdoor usually opens the blog in a new tab, so don't be surprised if your browser shows a second tab after you click. If it opens in the same tab, that works too. If your browser blocks new tabs, just allow the site or open the link again. You're now on the Glassdoor blog. Here you'll find career articles tailored to 2026 and beyond. Think job search strategies, interview preparation, workplace culture insights, and data-driven pieces that draw on Glassdoor's research. The homepage typically highlights featured stories at the top, followed by recent posts and editorial series. Layouts can evolve over time, but you'll generally see clear headlines, published dates, and author credits to help you decide what to read first. That's it. By going to glassdoor.com, skipping login, scrolling to the footer, and selecting blog, you'll land on the official Glassdoor blog and be ready to explore the latest career articles for 2026. Thanks for watching and enjoy your reading.